Taurians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the last 10 days of April. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies, energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if the reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign, Venus sign, and the name sign. And if you want to get a personal reading, the details are given in the description box below. And yeah, you can subscribe to my channel while I'm laying down your cards. So Taurians, Four of Pentacles, Six of Swords, Knight of Pentacles, King of Wands, King of Swords, Three of Pentacles, Page of Cups, Four of Swords, the Emperor, High Priestess. Okay. Let me see what are the messages from the other deck. Four of Hearts. Messages, Guardian Angel. Five of Emotion. So, Taurians, what are you trying to walk away from? Why are you holding back with the Four of Pentacles? Somebody here is holding back with the Four of Pentacles. They have you have all the possessions. You are very well endowed with everything. You are very content in your possessions, whatever possessions you have. You are content, you are hold, but you just don't want to share your emotions or whatever your things are with anybody. You are sitting high in your position, that's what I'm getting. You are above the others, sort of. You're feeling at least that way. You're feeling above somebody, perhaps. You feel very powerful. You feel you feel as if you are you're above others. That's what I'm saying. Maybe if it's a relationship, maybe you feel you are above them, and you are in control. You feel you are happy. It's like your nature is in such a way that you are happy and content with whatever you have, and that is why you perhaps don't want to show or share. But definitely somebody here doesn't want to show their emotions, if there are any. this person doesn't want to share anything. That is the why. They, because they are happy the way they are. And with the Six of Swords, somebody here is feeling very upset perhaps because of this behavior of this person, because again there is a Knight of Pentacles. So what I am getting here is that somebody here has love. It's not that love is not there. There is love, but this person is taking too long to decide, perhaps. Though love is there, they are thinking of all the pros and cons. They are thinking of all the pros and cons. They want to have the clear picture of the entire situation, of all whatever they will do. They are thinking of the consequences. If I move forward, what will happen? If I don't move forward, then what will happen? If I do this, what will happen? They are trying to foresee the picture, the larger picture. Though it is a wise thing to do, it is a wise thing to do that, because this person, whosoever this person is, they are very confident. Basically, they are very confident. They are content in their position. That's what I am saying. They know that their offer is solid and stable. It's not that their offer is not solid and stable, but they are taking too long in deciding, and maybe the other person is fed up because of that. And that is why they are, and maybe this other person, whosoever it is, this person is they are not, they have that emotional turbulence in them, and they are not happy because of this so much long time they are taking to decide, or they are not showing their emotions. Somebody here wants to walk away because maybe this person is emotional. This person is not able to cope up with the degree of slowness of this person, or the degree of the way they don't show their emotions, the way they are taking the time, way they are not moving things ahead. Things are just not moving forward, and this causes emotional turbulence in this person, the other person you are dealing with. And that is why they just want to walk away, or maybe they are at least thinking of it, or they have actually started moving away with towards something where they will feel peace. Okay, basically they are not able to deal with this nature of, one of you is not able to deal with the fact that the other person is not showing their emotions, or is taking so much long time in taking a decision, whatever is the decision you want. And that is why this person wants to move away, because they are not happy. They want peace, they want greenery in their life, they want they want basically stability. The emotional turbulence is so much that they want some sort of solidity, some sort of stability in their life. They are moving towards a solid, they want a solid foundation now. They don't want this thing, they want something solid. Though you have a solid offer, but you are not giving it to them, so it doesn't mean anything to them. Then if you don't give that offer to them, then what is the point that you have it and you have it on your own? They don't know it, they are not getting it. And now they just want to move towards stability, something solid, where they can take that rest, they can take that they want some solidity in their life now. They are sick and tired of this emotional baggage. Perhaps it's an emotional journey for them, and they are sick of this emotional baggage, and that is why they want something solid and stable in their life. Moving towards greener pastures, I can say, something like that, where they feel relaxed, solace. They feel that their life has found some sort of a foundation. Let me see what the other cards have to say. We have the King of Wands, we have the King of Swords, and then we have the Three of Pentacles. So with the King of Wands and with the King of Swords, somebody here is, though very, very attractive, very, very magnetic, but this person is like, maybe whosoever this person is, this person, obviously here also I said this person is feels that they are above the other person in some way, shape or form. Maybe even if they are, at least they feel that way. Maybe they are financially more abundant, maybe the status wise they are more abundant, whatever it is. But definitely, but this person is though they are very maybe very sensual, very sexy, very passionate, whatever they are, but they are very blunt also in the way they talk. They are they immediately know how to cut their edges, move away, or sort of, I should say, how should I put it? They are like, they know, okay, if something is just not serving their purpose, they know how to cut those things out of their life. It, in a positive way also, but it can hurt other people. Maybe it can be one more thing is that maybe the person who is moving away, there is some sort of transformation in their life. They're seeking some sort of transformation in their life. They want obviously they want something better. They want, basically what I am getting more is that this person feels very authoritative. They can be manipulative. They know how to get things done. They know how to pull you towards them. They know how to they have the reins of this relationship in their hands, basically. That's what I'm trying to say. They don't show their emotions that much, but they know how they can pull you towards them. They know how to get things done. They know how to they have the power of the reins of this relationship in their hands. That's what I'm getting. And with the Three of Pentacles over here, what I feel is that once the person who is walking away, whosoever it is, or decides to walk away, this person is not, is this person is an emotional person. They are not much attracted towards the materialistic things, perhaps. This person doesn't give much importance to the pentacles or to the finances or something. They are emotional, and that is what they are looking for. And with the Three of Pentacles, what I am getting is once they move away, they find that stability, that emotional stability. They are getting that emotional stability once they walk away from the situation. Maybe the person who is moving away is moving towards the people whom, their friends, their family, whosoever they are, their own trustworthy people, and that is where they find sanity, and that is where they are able to feel elated in the sense, not elated but uplifted. They feel that, yeah, now I am stable, now I am happy, people, I have restored my sanity to some extent, that yeah, now I can they are discussing things with people are even looking up to them. So I think it is something for the person who is moving away. And then we have here again, we have very mixed energies actually. We have the Page of Cups. So some sort of an offer is definitely coming away, I think. Some sort of an offer is definitely coming your way. With the Page of Cups, it is an emotional offer. Maybe that's what I said. Because you are an emotional person, you don't give that much of value to the financial stability and this thing of this person. Maybe that is what has irritated you in the relationship. Maybe this behavior of them has irritated you because this person maybe was sort of dominating you to the sense that because they know that they are financially abundant, they are above you in some way, shape or form, and you value the emotions, and either you will be restored back because you are doing that self-healing with the Four of Swords. You are taking time to heal yourself. You have surrendered to the situation. So perhaps because of that, you will feel rejuvenated, and you will soon be in a position of offering love to somebody actually, or you will be getting what I feel is you will be getting some new offer which will with the person like you will feel energetic, you will feel happy, you will feel endowed with that love. But the guidance for you here is that you take the time to, you surrender things, and you take your own time to heal yourself basically. Here again we have the Emperor and we have the High Priestess. So again with the Emperor, the same thing which I am getting is because maybe this person was very, very controlling and dominating in their behavior, And with the high priestess, you are following your intuition, you are taking your time, you are not, though maybe even if you have that offer at hand, maybe you don't even accept it as for now, because you just leave it. That's what I'm getting. I think it's not you giving the offer to anyone. You are not now ready for the relationship. That's what I feel. You want to take your own time. Maybe even if you get this offer from the same person or the other person, you will take your own time. You want to heal yourself, and that is the right thing to do. You want to give time to yourself. You don't want to rush into towards anyone, because with the emperor again, I think that is what you have already suffered. This domination, this controlling energy. You don't want to be controlled. You want to heal yourself first. And with the five of cups over here, you are not very happy still. You want to take your own time. You are still feeling gloomy. You are still not able to focus on the positive aspects of the life. You are still very, very hesitant in taking any offer if it comes your way. You are not able, you have not still worked on yourself enough to be ready for any other relationship. You are still upset. You are still upset. Here with the four of hearts, again it is there is a lot of hesitancy in repeating those mistakes, or this you have already sort of suffered in this relationship, whatever this relationship, or you are not very happy basically. Suffer or not suffer, but yeah, you were not very content and happy. Suffer may be too big a word for some of you, but yeah, you were not very happy, and now you are very hesitant. You are thinking twice and 100 times before moving towards any other offer. You don't want to repeat those things in your life. Again, with the five of emotions, forgiveness is an important part of healing. Forgive yourself and those around you for any mistakes of the past so that everyone can move forward. Okay, grieving is a normal part of life. That's what you are doing. You are grieving still. Grieving is a normal part of life. Ask your angels for those you love to help you to move through the process quickly so that you can get back on the path of joy. Okay, so that's good. So if it in, because that's what the reading ended with, though you have an offer, but still you are not moving forward. You are taking your own time. You are taking the time to heal yourself, and that is the right thing to do. But you, if some sort of forgiveness is required over here, because you are again reluctant in moving forward, and you are not accepting anything. So you need to forgive yourself. Forgive anybody who requires to be forgiven. You be with that person, you don't be with that person is not important, but you have to release that negativity, and just whatever time you need to grieve on that is the normal. Just take the normal time, but don't overdo it, because then it will be affecting your own health. Okay, so ask your angels or those you love to help you to move through. Those you love, that's what I said. You are discussing things with people, so discuss them. They will help you to come out of this negative mindset. Okay, so ask your angels or those you love to help you to move through the process quickly so that you can get back to the path of joy. So you have to return to this path of joy. Okay, so whatever time you take, but don't make it too long so that you start suffering and you start denying the joy and happiness to yourself. Okay, now just see, number 10 may be of some significance for you. Treasure your loved ones. It is important to love others deeply. So this is the message for you. So I think whatever it is, you need to just focus on yourself. That's what I'm getting. Focus on yourself, focus on your self healing, focus on your nourishment, your enrichment, of your soul, your body, your mind, whatever it is. And I think you need to be in touch with nature to realize or to sort of heal yourself fast. So this is the guidance for this for yourself, maybe, or even for the relationship, a new one which may come, that you need to treasure the relationship. You need to treasure the emotions, the feelings of the other person, if you need a solid foundation for love. Again and again I am feeling that if you be in nature, in the flowers, you will sprout like a flower, you will come out like a new plant, if you are in touch with nature. That's what I'm getting more. It can be a new beginning, a sprouting of a relationship, sprouting of feelings, sprouting of something new will come in once you are able to heal whatever it is in your life. Heal yourself. And for healing you need to again take care of yourself the way a mother takes care of a child. You need to be in touch with nature, with water, greeneries, sunshine. You need to heal. It's all about all over healing. That's what I'm getting. Let me see if there is anything else for Taurians. You are feeling very hurt. Maybe was it a third party situation? You need to be vigilant for that also. If somebody else was involved in the relationship, or it was being affected because of somebody else. But it is what, even if it was there, but it has really broken your heart. It's really broken your heart. With the Knight of Cups, yeah, somebody is coming in pretty fast with the offer. Not that fast that they are rushing in, but yes, yeah. Maybe you need to travel. Maybe somebody needs to travel, because here also there is a travel and here also there is a travel. Maybe somebody, you or the other person, actually relocates, or it's an emotional journey basically. Perhaps you need to cross that hurdle of your emotions. Perhaps that is the journey or the travel which you need to undertake perhaps. With the King of Cups, you will be in control of your emotions. Page of Swords, yeah, just see, you will have that clarity, you will have that youthfulness, you will feel happy. Death. Some chapter of your life is definitely ending. Wow, just see, Four of Wands. Just see the powerful card. Death card is a major arcana. Something is definitely ending. That's what I was saying. You are not in the mood of being in a relationship, at least with this person or with anybody as for now. You want to take your own time, and once you are able to, this thing will end, something new will begin. That's what I was saying. And just see the Four of Wands. It is a solid foundation. It is a wedding card. It is commitment. It is stability. It is happiness. It is family. In what it is, whatever way, shape or form. I don't think there is anything better than this for Taurians. Okay. Something is definitely very happy. You're moving towards family life, commitment, and are very, very happy. Just see the Nine of Cups. All the contentment is yours. You will feel very, very happy. Wow, just see the Ace of Wands. A new beginning, a passionate new beginning for you. Wow, Ace of Pentacles, giving you a lot of stability, a long-term stability. Moon, follow your instincts. Follow your instincts. Follow your gut feeling. Though I think it was a third-party situation. Again, it has come up. Maybe you were involved with the person who had somebody else was there in the picture, but you need to follow your instincts. Things are unknown to you as for now, but yes, somebody was sneaky. Yeah, somebody was behaving in this way, that they were taking more in the relationship. They were not giving whatever was required in this relationship. They were not putting their maximum in this relationship, Taurians. Queen of Pentacles, yeah, now you are taking your own time. You want to be happy, focusing on your own energies. Somebody was being stingy. You want to restore the balance of your life. Knight of Swords, somebody will come rushing in towards you. Only one more card. Three of Pentacles, wait for the right time. You want to take a clearer picture. You want to take a larger picture of the situation. You are waiting for happiness, and you will get it. Six of Cups, you want happy times once again in your life, and that's good, and you will get it. Ten of Cups. Okay, now I won't take any more card. Ten of Cups, again, solid foundations, happy family life, happiness for you, Taurians. Don't worry. So that's all I have for you, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.